Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin J. Pineau. Do you want to learn how to repurpose your YouTube videos or how to repurpose your content and to turn it into an article, or maybe put it onto another platform like Facebook where people will actually find it? And then one last bonus, turn it into an article that you can translate? Coming up. All right, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the file that we made from our YouTube video and we're going to upload it to Facebook. We're going to upload it natively and we're not just going to share it. Why? Because Facebook wants you to stay on their platform when you're using it. If you're linking away, like sending a link to your YouTube channel, what happens is they don't send it out to your full audience because it's going to drive people off of Facebook. Facebook or whatever platform you're on wants you to stay on that platform. So it's better to take the raw video and upload it directly onto Facebook than it is to link to your YouTube channel. Right? You can there's other ways you can link to your YouTube channel, but in this case, we're going to upload natively. All right. Okay, we're on my Facebook page. I'll give you an example of something I did first. Here's a video I did on YouTube. If you actually click see more, all of my description from my YouTube video and all my links have been put in, even with a disclaimer. And the video just plays natively. It's right there. Do you see it? It's just playing. So we're going to go to videos. Oops, I already clicked that. Upload a video. Find the file that you want. Business plan video. Upload that video. Select a language, whatever language you're in. Description. Jump onto your YouTube channel. What we're going to do is we're going to take the description from our YouTube channel and put it right into the description here and then use the same title. It's running very slow. Click copy. Go back to your YouTube channel, description, paste. What was the title of this video? Do I need a business plan? Copy. Paste. Now add tags. I want to anchor this to something else, so we'll go to business economics, entrepreneurship, startups, freelance, small local business, and work from home, remote, business advancement. So Facebook will let you have, I believe, 8 tags. So just try to, they're not as wide as YouTube, but we're repurposing here. So get as close as you can. Thumbnail. You can either pick a thumbnail or you can go back to YouTube channel, click on options on your own thumbnail, download. Call it save it on my desktop. Add custom. Business thumbnail. Bam. All right, now go down the list. Subtitles. You want this. When it's done uploading, you definitely want to put subtitles in. Polls, tag trackings, if you want to add a custom label to track how this is performing. Plan. News feeds. Moderation, video post. Publish. Okay, that's one. I told you, do you want to make this into an article and translate it? Let me show you that. First off, you're in the back office, make sure you go under Advanced. Advanced. Make sure that your caption right here, this is important on all your videos, always have a caption, because a lot of people just listen to what you're recording and they don't watch it. And sometimes they watch it where they don't have earbuds and they just watch the caption. So you always want it in your language. Always make sure that's on. It's in your back office. I'll show you. All right. Down here, video language, English, I'm already there. You can select a variety of English, but sometimes you actually have to translate these yourself. But I will show you how to do that now. So that's on. Go back. Click on your video and open it up. You're going to deal with lag. All right, this video opens up. Go down to these 3 dots. Bam. You can open transcription. Up here in the right corner. Oops. It may pop up with toggle timestamps. You can use this later in another video, so make sure you subscribe, and I'll show you how to use timestamps in another video. Pause this video. So it has all these timestamps here. We're going to cut those out. Toggle timestamps. Take this whole article, go to the top, copy and paste. Right click, copy, open Notepad, paste. You just wrote an article. All you got to do from here out is read through it, a little bit of editing. But I told you, how would you like to do this in another language? I know there's a lot of affiliate marketers in other countries, it's a worldwide thing, that they're a little self-conscious about their English. Did you know that you can translate all this? And it's very simple. Take your article that you've written. Voila. What language do you want to translate into? Write in the comments below. I hope I've brought you some amazing content. If I did, smash the like button. I'm sorry I'm crouching down. I have a terrible tripod, but you can find it in the description below. There's links, but if you want to learn how to make money online and build an online business, you need to get educated. You need great training. Imagine having your own business up and running in 15 days. You can do that. Down in the description below, go to www.kevinjpineau.com/success, and I'll introduce you to the service that I use and where I got my training, and introduce you to my trainer. I'm an affiliate with this program. If you do make a purchase, I make a small commission at no additional charge. Go down there, enter your email. I'll give you a free video, introduce you to my mentor. You can see a video by him, check out the products. You can get started in this program for only $7. That's one hand plus 2 fingers. Get going today and watch the next video.